Chevy Transverse, 2015, 2012 Chevy Transverse, all-wheel drive. It needs 1,050 grams of refrigerant. I only put in 340 grams of refrigerant. Hey, look it, we're almost 30 PSI on the low side, 143 PSI, it's 80 degrees out. But look at that low side. Imagine if you had one of those jerk off, shake, whack my hand can job thingamajiggers, and they tell you somewhere between 30 and 40 is good. Well, you got 30 now, so you're almost good. But I only got 340 grams out of 1,050 grams. Running out of refrigerant there. I'm down to vapor. So I'm gonna unload the rest of this in here. And let's see what we got. 370, it's just vapor. So right now all I'm taking out is vapor. Cut it down a little bit, that's 410 out of 1,050 grams. 400, let's see if there's enough to go all the way to 500 grams. That's almost halfway. Oh yeah, I do have the temperature sensors on there. This is dual air conditioning too. It has an evaporator in the rear. So it looks like it's gonna die before 500 grams, so we're not probably gonna quite get 500 grams out of that one, but it has an evaporator in the rear. Let's see, let's kill the refrigerant. 500 grams. So we got 500 grams right now. Superheat is at 51. Our subcooling's really low. We're down there at 1.9 for this vehicle. Oh, but look, we're up at 35 now. And if you're using one of the little jack-off cans, doing a little whack-off thing with the little AC Pro gauge on it, that's somewhere between 30 per year. 35 is really nice. Okay, so that's at 500 grams, but we need 1,050 grams. You see that 1,05, 1,050 grams is needed, and we only got 500 grams. Let me go grab another container, and we'll go throw in that other 550 grams that is needed. We'll be back in video number 2. But yeah, low side pressure. We were just using off AC Pro whack-off can. That looks good. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute.